The O-ring seals the valve plate to the valve head. Over time, the O-ring can wear and eventually fail. When this occurs, air will leak from the head and the compressor will run, but the tank won't build pressure. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before making any repairs on your air compressor, be sure to unplug the cord and drain the air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the manifold from the top cover. Now remove the front motor cover. It's secured with one screw on the front side. Once the screws are removed, I'll use a screwdriver to release the plastic tabs. Next, I'll remove the outlet tube. With the outlet tube removed, now I can remove the head. With the head assembly removed, now I can remove the valve plate from the head and replace the O-ring. Now reinstall the head assembly back onto the compressor. And the head bolts get torqued to between 84 and 120 inch-pounds. Now I'll reinstall the outlet tube. Now I can replace the rear motor cover. And I'll replace the wheel. Now I'll reinstall the front motor cover. I snap the plastic tabs back into place. And secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the wheel. Now I'll reinstall the cover and the manifold. I'll align the cover with the frame and secure it with the screws. Now I'll realign the manifold with the cover and secure it. And now you know how to replace the valve head O-ring in your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.